I found a time card idea I sketched in 2024 and almost ignored. I thought I was making one simple fold. It turned into something with three defined purposes. Let me show you the build first.
Museful creations come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
Today, we're transforming these humble office time cards using nothing but distress ink, water and stamping, no pattern paper, no bulky layers. I created 4 versions, but I'm going to show you the mechanism first. Instead of covering the surface, I used distress inks and water in my hands to create controlled splatter. Once you heat set, it becomes this aged vintage canvas that still keeps the integrity of the time card. This step is super important to keep in mind, and the cutting is super easy, self-explanatory. I also will show you why this mechanism in the front is important to observe, and shortly after, then we'll show you the 3 other makes and their purpose. This was just so much fun. This little envelope keeps your verse cards from slipping out and gives you a second space inside. This one is for my Shabby Chic creatives. It features my Victorian floral stamp and becomes a random act of kindness gift. Fill it with small ephemera, notes, or meaningful bits, and gift it. This version is secured with 2 mini Velcros inside a journal cover, and it becomes a challenge tracker. Cards slide in and out, but they stay anchored inside the journal. And this one is for remembrance, special moments, travel notes, something you want nearby but not scattered, small, defined, purposeful. I'm really glad I didn't ignore that 2024 sketch. Sometimes ideas don't fail, they just wait. If this sparked something for you, I'd love for you to stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.